can still hear her calling me names down the hall. She threw her things in her suitcase and took his call. I can still feel the pain of the broken glass that I stepped on when she left. It shattered my heart, broke my soul, scared me half to death. Well, I'd do it again and again and again and again and again. I'd do it again and again and again and again and again. Just to feel her touch, to taste her lips, I feel that fire now and then. I'd do it again and again and again and again and again. It's over again. I know that if I wait, she'll come back, throwing kerosene on a flame. It's the love that we had. She'll be back in my arms, spreading that charm, and we'll forget about yesterday. Until the sky falls out and she's running